Hi friends, I'm back and my name is Kavya and I am 7 years old. Today I am again back with My Little Pony. I am going to flip you through by my Little Pony drawings. This is Twilight Sparkle and her logo is stars. And I have a toy of Twilight Sparkle. She has a horn over her and her logo. This is Pinkie Pie. Her logo is balloon and I have a toy of Pinkie Pie. She doesn't have a horn or wings. This is Rainbow Dash and I love the colors of her hair and tail. And she has a cloud here. This is Fluttershy. She is very shy and she has butterflies. I love those butterflies. This is Rarity and she has glass diamond and a horn. This is Scootaloo and she is from the Cutie Mark group. This is Applejack and her logo is apple. I love apple. This is Sweetie Belle and she has purple color hair and green eyes. This is Apple Bloom and she is also from Cutie Mark group. She, Scootaloo and Sweetie Belle are from the Cutie Mark group and I love her. This is Big Macintosh. This is not the MacBook Macintosh. This is Pony Macintosh. And I love apples again. This is Dappy Hooves and I call her Dippy Hooves. This is Spike. I love her very much. I mainly like his hair color and the purple color. Purple is my favorite color. And she has Twilight Sparkle's pet. This is Pip Squeak. She has a pilot eye. And in the next video, I'll show you about Lego friends. If you like my video, please subscribe, share and like. Thank you for watching and I'll meet you in the next video.